Want to become rich? Think like a rich person. Think rich, act rich. That's where success starts. Most start wrong. Fear, doubt. What if I fail? Small desire, small results. Dream big, do big work. Have faith. Visualize success until it feels real. Learn wealth building, marketing, investing, creating, action. Surround yourself with big thinkers. Wealth starts in the mind. Think big, act bold, persist until you win.
Success comes from your mindset, not from luck. Every successful person once started with nothing but a burning desire, a dream so strong that giving up was never an option. Your mind is your workshop. Whatever you feed it, it will create. Feed it doubt, and you'll see problems. Feed it belief, courage, and purpose, and you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, even the smallest action matters. Because consistent effort turns ordinary people into extraordinary success stories. And when you fail, don't stop. Failure is not the end, it's feedback. It's just testing how badly you want it. Keep your vision clear, your belief strong, and your focus unshaken. Because once your mind decides, nothing in this world can stop you. As Napoleon Hill said, when defeat comes, accept it as a signal to rebuild your plans and start again toward your goal.